Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Today I'll be air frying some breaded catfish. So I bought this catfish 2 days ago. I bought it from Pete's and they got the whole fish in here, but it's sliced. So I'm going to rinse it off and I'll show you my next step. But I will be using mustard. I use this on steaks, ribs, pork chops, chicken, and fish. And I'll be using this fish fry. Don't have no date on here. I don't know if I just bought this or I know this is, I don't know, no date. Well, anyway, I'll be using this But That Chicken fish fry. It's for fish. I got some for chicken also. And this is not spicy or anything. They do have it in the spicy. Okay. And I'll be using my BorLebbi 10-quart air fryer for the fish. Alright, let me wash this fish and I'll be back. Okay, I'm going to lower this so y'all can see what I'm doing. I already washed the fish and towel blotted it dry. And I'm just chilling in the house today, y'all. I ain't had nowhere to go. Just cut that light off that I need. Okay. This is the whole catfish. So nice and pink and fresh. So I always go to Pete's to get my fish. And people say catfish is nasty because they bottom feeders. Well, they sure taste good. And these same people, they eat chitlins. So I'll eat my catfish. Okay, I'll be using this BorLebbi. It's my newest air fryer. It's 10 quarts. And I use these liners in the bottom of here. You're supposed to put them on top of the... You're supposed to put them on top of this. But, which way does it go? Let me put it this way. But I put this in there, then put this down here. And it's still enough room under here for the grease and everything to flow up under it. So I don't have to wash this basket. If I can get out of doing something in the kitchen, then I will take every step known to man. Okay. Let me plug it in. And this is the most quiet air fryer I have ever had. And I've had a lot of air fryers. So I might as well preheat it. Y'all don't even hear it, do you? Okay. So this is what I'll be using on my catfish. The Cajun lemon pepper seasoning. You know, lemon goes on fish, so lemon pepper. I already showed you I'll be using this But That Chicken fish fry. This is a new pack. I'm surprised I don't see a date on here. Because when this company first came out, they gave me some stuff, but now they sell it in the stores. It's good, y'all. When I'll be using my breader shaker bowl, you can use a bag, a baggie, Ziploc bag, a brown paper bag, however you want to bread your fish. It has this little thing in here so the braiding goes in this bottom part, and the fish goes on this little cage thing. Now if I can open it. Okay, I can't open this. Okay, there you go. Smells good. Not gonna put too much in here because I don't want to waste nothing, because this gets dumped after I use it. I mean, unless I'm gonna use it the next day, well, it'll get dumped. Okay, that's ready. Okay, here's my fish. Plain old yellow mustard. Yeah. This adds another level of flavor. Plus it moistens the fish, makes the seasoning stick. Plus the turmeric in the mustard is good for you. And the vinegar in mustard, it tenderizes. Okay, this particular one does have salt in it. Not all of them have salt, but this one does. I forgot where I got this one from. Got this much mustard on here. Whoa. So the meat itself will be seasoned, even though the braiding is seasoned. Put a glove on. So I can smush it. These are the cheap Dollar Tree gloves, but 100 come in the packet. So now they're $1.25 and they serve the purpose. I always have to put a rubber band to keep the glove on. One of my honeys suggested that. I couldn't think of that myself. So now I'm going to smush this. Make sure everything's evenly coated. I'm going to sprinkle some more of that seasoning in here too. Pete's is expensive, but I don't want to buy my fish from anywhere else. Nice and fresh. Bought some from Walmart one time. Well, I used to buy it from Walmart. A couple times it was spoiled. Got it home, my mouth set for eating some fish. It was spoiled. I was so mad. I took that funky fish back up there, and they could smell it through the bag. I had no problem, so I don't buy no more fish from them. Okay, now I'm gonna sprinkle some more of this on here. So the meat itself is seasoned. And you really don't need to add more seasoning to your food, because this, like I said, the braiding itself is seasoned. And the fish is still going to taste good, but this is what I do. Like I always say, you know I'm extra. Okay, that's enough. It's well smushed. I wonder if all this fish can fit in here. Is this enough breading? I will soon find out. Oh, so I'm putting the fish in here. I'm not going to overcrowd it because I want each piece coated nicely. So that's what I got in here. Oh, this didn't preheat. Okay. How nicely breaded that is. Okay. You can either press the start, pause button, or you just pull it open. And it'll stop. I'm gonna spray this grill plate thing. I don't never know what to call it, but y'all know what I'm talking about. So that's what matters. That's communication. And I'm gonna spray the top of this fish. And I usually don't have to turn my fish. We're gonna eat this much. Walter don't eat as much as I do. He say I'm greedy. I ain't greedy. I don't like folks to be playing with your food. Get your food and eat it. Okay, I got 2 big pieces still in here. Save that. That's what I got in here. Take this off. Okay. You can buy this bread or shaker bowl from Amazon. I wouldn't pay over $15 for it. Sometimes the price gets high. Whenever I show it, people start buying it, and then the company raises the price. It'll come back down. Shake off the excess breading. Okay. I don't want to overcrowd the basket. And I try my best not to have to turn fish, because fish is tender and they can tear up. I mean, it still tastes the same whether it's tore up or not. So who wants to tear up their fish? Okay, I'm not cooking these last few pieces. I mean, you can use chicken breading too if you want to, but you know, fish breading has cornmeal in it. Sometimes I put fish breading on my chicken. And it's good. Okay. I don't like no nasty hands. One hand is nasty. I think I'm gonna have spaghetti with this fish. I wish I had some coleslaw, but I don't have any. And of course, when I make spaghetti, I got to have meat in it. Even though I'm having fish, this fish will be gone and the spaghetti will still be here, so we still have something to eat another day. That's how that looks. I'm going to spray the fish. This is the Eco Oil sprayer. Okay. I'm pulling this up from the wall. So it's set at 400 degrees. I think I'm going to put some more time on here. Say 15 minutes. So I'm going to let it do what it do, and I will be back Once again, this is the BorLebbi 10 quart air fryer. This is my latest kitchen gadget, and I love it. I love it. Okay, here's my catfish. I did wind up flipping my fish so both sides can be crispy, and I put a couple more minutes. So these cooked at 400 degrees for about 18 minutes. Okay, here's my plate. I'm sure I'll get another piece of fish. There's my spaghetti. I put some, the original rotel in it. It has the diced tomatoes and chilies, so it's seasoned. Got me some fiesta salad. It has corn, carrots, cheese, and I have, I think, Catalina salad dressing. Here's my fish. I'm going to put some hot sauce on it, but I'm going to taste it for y'all first. So there's my plate. Okay, I'm going to taste a piece of my catfish. Breaking a piece off the end. Here's the back. It's crispy on both sides. Oh, wow. Now I'm going to use my hot sauce. Being careful of the bones. It's a good dinner here. Fish is good and done. I'm gonna taste the spaghetti. Hope it ain't too hot. I can cook, y'all. Like I said, I put meat in my spaghetti, whether I got meat on the side or not. Okay. So, I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. How my plate is looking. I usually don't eat a balanced meal. I usually eat meat. You won't be fussing at me because he'll eat a complete meal. So, bon appetit. And y'all know what to do. Thumbs up. Okay. Bye. Bon appetit.